Title: The Millionaire Mindset: How to Think Like a Billionaire and Achieve Financial Success. Hey there, it's Alec from Financial Success Secrets. Today, we're going to talk about the millionaire mindset and how you can use it to achieve financial success. First off, let's define what we mean by the millionaire mindset. It's a way of thinking that's focused on abundance, opportunity, and growth. It's about seeing the world as a place full of possibilities and taking action to make those possibilities a reality. Now, let's talk about how you can develop the millionaire mindset. One key element is leadership. Great leaders have a way of inspiring and motivating people to achieve great things. They have a vision for the future and the ability to communicate that vision in a way that inspires others to get on board. Another important element is financial literacy. To achieve financial success, you need to understand the basics of money management, investing, and wealth creation. You need to be able to make informed decisions about your money and be willing to take calculated risks to achieve your goals. Finally, let's talk about some of the habits and traits of successful billionaires. They're often highly disciplined and focused individuals who are willing to put in the hard work and sacrifice required to achieve their goals. They're also often highly creative and innovative, always looking for new ways to push the boundaries and achieve more. So, there you have it. The millionaire mindset is all about leadership, financial literacy, and the habits and traits of successful billionaires. If you're looking to achieve financial success, then cultivating this mindset is a great place to start. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Financial Success Secrets. Thanks for watching.